So good day everyone. So today let's tackle about the inquiry-based science. There are many strategies in the use of inquiry-based science. So below are some examples. Inquiry-based science involves learners and science when you give the opportunities to explore possible solutions, make explorations for the phenomena under study. So elaborate explanation to the concepts and processes and make assessments on how these are understood based on available evidences. So inquiry science is all about a way of learning science where students learning by asking questions, exploring. So instead of just listening to the lectures or memorizing facts, so ask questions about things that they notice or wonder about. So investigate through that experiments, observe students or research. So then collect evidence, think and explain, and then share ideas, discuss conclusion with others. So instead the teacher giving all the answers, the teacher guides, supports students as they discover concept on their own. So now let's move on to the 5Es model, which is the engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. So the 5Es model is a widely used approach in science teaching that helps students learn through science exploration, and understanding rather than memorization. So the first E is the engage. So in this phase, capture students' interest and curiosity. The teacher introduced the topic using questions, pictures, demonstrations, or real-life situations. So the goal of this is to connect the lesson to the students and to the prior knowledge and make them want to learn more. So the second E is explore. So students investigate and experience the concepts. So they perform activities, experiments, and observations. So the teacher acts as a guide while the students actively discover on their own. So the third E is the explain. So this E is students share their findings, and the teacher helps to clarify the scientific concept and terms. So misconception and corrected and formal explanations are provided. So the fourth E is the elaborate. So elaborate. So in this phase, students apply and extend what they learn to new situations, and this deepens understanding and strengthen their skills. So for example, the students explain why water droplets form on a cold glass. So ilahan natin na nakalearn na sila dihag new situations, and it depends on their understanding and then strengthen their skills on how they solve those certain problems. So the fifth E is the evaluate. So in this phase, both the teacher and the students assess understanding and progress. So evaluation can be through quizzes, discussions, projects, or reflection. So overall, the 5Es model helps students learn science by engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. So on how the students strengthen their skills. So now let's move on to the QMS strategy. So this strategy is a simple problem solving guide that helps students think clearly and work step by step. And then the QMS strategy is Q means questions, M means and M for means, and A for solution. The Q is stand for question. So this step is help students understand the problem. Students identify what is being asked and what information is given. And then the end means how we'll solve it. So, how we'll solve it. So, ang pag-solve sa students. So, in this step, students decide the plan and strategy to solve the problem, and they choose the method, formula, or steps needed. So, the S is solution. So, this is the what is their kanang answer. And so, nandito ilang solution. The students carry out the plan and present the final answer, and they may also check if the solution makes sense.